Hi guys, you're welcome to Tima's tutorial. In our today's class, we are going to be treating Pythagoras Theorem. And don't forget to like, comment, and as well you subscribe to my channel. This channel is basically created for students who want to do better in mathematics. Parents can as well watch in order to get familiar with some topics, with these topics, so that you can still assist your students in one way or the other. And I promise to treat every topic, every topic with the simplest form so that you can easily understand. So, like this, Pythagoras theorem. We said Pythagoras theorem states that in every right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. So this is an example of a right-angled triangle. You have a vertical line. This is horizontal. So where these two lines meet, angle 90 will be formed there. So this is a right angle. So this right angle, the side facing it is what we call hypotenuse, and it is the longest. If you look at it very well, it is longer than this side and this side, this side. So now we call this longest side hypotenuse. Then these are the two other sides. So we can call this opposite. This can be adjacent. You can also say this is adjacent and this is opposite. So now we want to get the value of x here. Based on what I said that the square of the hypotenuse, that is for solution for A. We say the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse, that is the square of the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides. So that's the two other sides we have opposite square plus adjacent square. So which is the same thing as, for this question now, the longest side here is AC, which is also the same thing as x. So that's what we are looking for, x. Then this square, this is it. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the other side, AB, which is also the same thing as 3. So 3 square plus BC, which is 4 square. So that s square equals 3 square, that is 9. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4 square, that's 4 times 4, that's 16. So that s square now equal to 9 plus 16, that is going to give us 25. So we are looking for x. In order to get the value of x, we can say square root. That is, we find the square root both sides. Square root both sides. So we put square root on this, so that square will cancel square root here, so that our x now equals to square root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. So we see that our hypotenuse, which is x, is 5 centimeter. Then the second one, B, you have here now, we know the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. We don't know this side. We are also given another side here. So here, the formula, don't forget, we say that the square of the hypotenuse, which is 13. So we can say 13 squared, that's the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides, that is the square of y squared, plus this other side, which is 5 squared. 13 squared, that will give us 169 equal to y squared plus 5 squared, that will give us 25. So here we can collect like terms. We take this 25 to the other side, to where 169 is. So now we have 169. When plus crosses equal to, it returns to minus 25 equal to y squared. So we proceed from here, that this minus this will give us 144 equal to y squared. Therefore, y squared equals to 144. So we can find the square root of both sides also. We find the square root of both sides. The square root of this side and the square root of this. So the square will cancel square root. So our y now will be equal to square root of 144. That will give us 12 centimeter. So you can check. You will see that if I say that since here is 12 now, if I say 12 squared plus 5 squared, so if you add the two together, you are going to get 169, which is also the same thing as the square of this hypotenuse. So it is as simple as that. So you can try this question on your own. Try this. You can try this on your own. So this is X, A, B, C. This is where I have my right angle. So let me put let's say we have 15 here, 15, then 15 centimeter, then here is 8 centimeter. So we are looking for X. You can do well to do this on your own. So thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.